Hello, Montgomery CPA here, and here to talk about this notice called a CP-162A. And so this is telling you that your business tax return was filed late, and you owe a significant penalty in some cases. So this one here is kind of nominal, $245. And so what this is saying is that the business tax return, LLCs, taxes, S corps, C corps, partnerships, they have a due date. C corps have a due date of April 15th. LLCs, taxes, S corps, and partnerships have a due date of March 15th. And so here at my firm, what we do is we file extensions for all of our um, business clients, and these go in a large box, and they go off on March 15th, and we have that box certified. And because we send in hundreds of extensions for all of our business clients, well, the IRS takes about 2 months, sometimes even 3 months, to process all of those extensions and get them in the system. So in the meantime, for all those business tax returns that we filed after March 15th and until going all the way into May, all those business tax returns, when we e-file those, the IRS's computer system doesn't see the extension yet in the system because once again, it takes them about 8 weeks, 10 weeks to get them all in the system. So the computer, once we e-file that return, the IRS's computer system doesn't see the extension. So the computer system immediately sends out this notice. All right. So here's what we want our clients, well, here's what we instruct our clients to do. First of all, don't stress about this notice. Okay. There's a valid extension in the system for you. It's just going to take a little while for the IRS's computers to match up that extension that we filed with your tax returns. Okay. So you will receive one, possibly two of these letters, okay, in the meantime, while we wait for that extension to get processed and matched up with your tax return. And in a worst case scenario, you might receive a third letter, which will be certified. If you get a third letter that is certified, then that's when I have to take action. Okay. So what I have to do at that point is I have to do this form. It's called a Form 843. And I send in a copy of the extension that we filed along with the certified mail-in receipt, and we send that in. So then the IRS clears out that late filing notice. Okay. So I've been doing this for over 30 years. Never had a client pay this penalty, okay, because I have an extension, I have a certified mailing receipt, okay. So I'm not telling you to disregard a notice ever that the IRS sends, but I'm just telling you to relax about this notice, okay. And so you might get one, you might get two. If you get a third one that's certified, then that's when I'm going to take action. But for the first two that you receive in regular mail, we're not going to take any action. We're waiting for the people at the IRS to process the extensions, get them in their computer system, get it matched up with your tax return that we e-filed. Okay. If by chance you get a third one that is certified, that's when you're going to get that over here to me, and I'm going to take some action, and I'm going to send in some correspondence. Okay. Thanks for watching this quick video.